Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. This video is all about the disadvantages and advantages about smoothing and what shampoo to use. Instead of using those expensive shampoos, I'm gonna tell you the alternative about it. If you're thinking about doing smoothing or you have done it recently, this video is definitely for you. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about how long it has been for me. So it has been more than a year and a month. So I had done smoothing on December 1, 2020 and today it is 2nd January 2022. Okay, so you can see, like till now you can see the smoothing effect on my hair. I have chopped my hair like on December 4, 2021. My hair were quite long. So during that time I had done my smoothing because that is when it is beneficial. If you do it on your short hair, it won't be that effective as your hair will grow and the smoothing will fade away. So always do smoothing on long hair so that it can, last longer. Smoothing lasts for a year and it has lasted a year for me and even more than that. From the upper portion, there are a bit curves like my original hair is coming. So for that I use my straightener only for that portion. Otherwise, the bottom portion is totally the same as it was before. But as your hair grows, your smoothing starts to fade, like your new natural hair growth starts to come over, take over the smoothing hair. Okay, so the advantage is that you don't need to straighten your hair. Like whenever you want to go out, you just need to apply your makeup and just wear a nice dress and you're good to go. Just comb your hair and like your hair will be set all day long, which is an amazing thing, and I could experience that and I know that how good it feels. As even though you wear a very pretty outfit, you do a very nice makeup, but if your hair is not looking good, your whole attire won't look good. So the hair should look good always. So for that, like I always used to straighten my hair and it took a lot of time, a lot of heat. So it actually damaged my hair a lot, and smoothing also damages your hair. But the advantage is that you don't need to do anything to your hair when you have done smoothing. You just need to comb your hair and you are good to go. Okay, so the disadvantage is that you will get a lot of dandruff, and I didn't experience that much in the start 2 months, but slowly I started experiencing it, and it was like so uncomfortable, so itchy, and it was very okay. So that is one of the disadvantages. The second disadvantage is that you will get a lot of hair fall. Like I personally before smoothing also used to suffer from hair fall, a bit of hair fall, as I had long hair, so every girl suffers from that. But after smoothing it was like double. So I used to think that I will go bald only, that if it doesn't stop then it was that horrible, which now also continues, but it is now a bit less than it was in the start. So these are the two major disadvantages that you will face. Also, they use a lot of harmful creams and chemicals on your hair for smoothing, so you need to keep oiling your hair twice a week at least, so that your hair remains healthy and don't break that much. So you need to take care of your hair, not just that you have done smoothing so you're done. You need to take care of that so that they are in good condition. Okay, so whenever you go in the salon, they always prefer you that use this shampoo, don't use this, use this and that. But my sister already had done smoothing, so I had asked her already that which shampoo to use. So the shampoo that I am using is this TRESemmé sulfate free shampoo. Okay, for smoothing you need to use a shampoo that is sulfate free, and TRESemmé was like amazing shampoo for my hair. It worked like magic for my hair and I never faced any issue with this shampoo. So I would definitely recommend this one. There are more below sizes also if you want to just check for a month, and then you can go for a bigger bottle. And yeah, it comes for a very reasonable price. I think the bigger one comes for 400 and the smaller ones are for 200. So you can definitely use this shampoo as this is very helpful. I have personally used it. I'm still using it. So it is not at all, it did not spoil my smoothing hair at all. And it was the way it is, and it looked more shinier when I used to, wash my hair. So definitely gonna recommend this one. And I don't use conditioner, as in the start I used to use the conditioner, and because of that I used to get double hair fall. So I stopped using conditioner, and because of that I could see a drastic change and my hair fall got reduced. So you can definitely try that if you have a lot of hair fall. If you get a lot of hair fall, you can definitely try not using conditioner for a month at least and check that if it's working for you or not. For me it definitely worked, so you can definitely try it out. Okay, so for my dandruff, I was like so pissed off. My sister only recommended me this Selsun shampoo. This is quite popular shampoo for dandruff. I used it. You just need to use this much amount, and it should not go into your eyes, so you should always close your eyes while washing this. And this worked like magic for my hair. Like, I used it just for 2 weeks and I could see the change. Like, all of my dandruff was gone. Like, literally nothing was left. And I still use it. It is quite costly for this much size. It is for 300 or 400, yeah. So for that it's quite costly, but you need to use this much amount only, so it will last for I think a month. For me it lasted for a month. If your hair are thicker and longer in length, then you might need some more quantity for yourself, but otherwise it would work for a month if you have like a medium length hair. And you just need to apply it on your scalp, not on your lens, only on the scalp. Massage it well. You can also mix it with water and put it. It would be more helpful to you that way. Okay, so for the serum, I use the Streaks serum. I was recommended one Brilliance serum, but I don't think I found any difference in it. Like, serum does the work what serum does. So I think that this serum worked like very nicely for my hair. It gave that shine, that nourishment that I needed. I used to apply it after my hair wash when my hair are wet. I apply the serum this way, like this, not this way. I apply it this way so that each and every ends of my hair gets the serum, absorbs the serum. So yes, and yes, I have also colored my hair a bit. So for that I need to take extra care. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you these things. Whatever I told you, I personally have been using for a year now, and I definitely couldn't find anything that was harmful for me. You can definitely try it for yourself for a month or two, and if you think that yeah, really it's working for you, then only go for it, because it might differ from person to person. So accordingly, check it and then apply. Okay, so you can definitely do the smoothing process, as I personally love this one. And if you are willing to do smoothing, if you also love straight hair, you can definitely go for smoothing. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.